How to cancel an Uber Eats order. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimil from the Solution Guy. In today's video I will show you how to cancel Uber Eats order in two different ways, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you can cancel an Uber Eats order from the Uber Eats app, or you can cancel it from the Uber app. So Uber Eats and Uber app are basically different, but you can cancel it in both ways. So first let's discuss with the Uber Eats app. Just launch the Uber Eats app and then tap on the order section from the bottom. Once you go to orders, here you'll find the order that you've placed and just tap on the red button that says cancel order. And as you do that, it will also ask you for a fee that is associated with this cancel. There's a certain amount of fee charged to cancel now, so you can just go ahead and then tap on the cancel order, because obviously you're not getting a refund in this case. Now depending upon the time as well, it is going to determine whether or not you're eligible for a refund. If the delivery rider has already packed your order, then there is no way that you can actually go ahead and then get your refund. The other way you can actually cancel an Uber Eats order is through the Uber app. So open the Uber app and then tap on the option called order food over here. Once you go to the order food section, just tap on your profile icon from the top right, and in this case you have to select the option called orders, as you could see over there. Once you go to orders, from the bottom of the screen you'll see all of your orders over here. You just need to tap on the one that says cancel order. Once you tap on the cancel order button, you'd have successfully canceled your Uber Eats order. And that's all it takes to cancel Uber Eats order. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.